First of all, make sure to unlock the image layer, and now we have to duplicate our layer. So press Ctrl Z to duplicate. And now we have to select our image subject. So selecting quick selection tool and clicking on select subject, and it will automatically select my image subject in just few seconds, just like so. And then clicking on mask icon. Now let's create a new layer. Select text tool, and now write here your text. And select your text. You can change your text color from here, and you can also change your font family from here. Then just click on OK. Now press Ctrl T to enable free transform, and then just make your text bigger and just click on OK. Now we have to duplicate this text layer. So press Ctrl Z to duplicate. Now just right click on this copied text layer, and here click on convert to shape. Now select this rectangle tool, and here click on fill, deselect fill, click on stroke and select a color. I'm selecting white color for stroke, and click on the stroke size, and here you can change your stroke size just like so. And now all you have to need, just you have to add this text layer under this mask layer, and then select your both text layer and just click on link. And now I'm selecting selection tool, and that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully added transparent effect into this text.